Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can convert inches into centimeters and just the basic formula to use in Excel to convert one unit to another unit. So I have feet and meters as other examples here. And this is a super easy, quick to understand formula, and the formula is equals convert. So basically you're going to want that number you're converting and what unit of measurement it's currently in to what you want to put it in. So in this case we want 12 inches. And we want that converted from inches to centimeters in this case. So here we have the whole list of different things. If we don't want to look there, you can just abbreviate. So remember the parentheses, IN for inches, and then that'll get the inches, comma, and it'll give you the options here. You're going to want to do parentheses, CM, parenthesis, or you can find it in this list. And parenthesis, and that is the conversion. Super easy, super simple. And just to verify that 12 inches is 30.48 centimeters, let's Google it. And look at that, 12 inches is 30.48 centimeters. So going back here, now we want to convert those inches or those centimeters to feet. We could do either one. We'll just do convert formula again here. We'll just take the 12 inches. We all know that, there's 12 inches in a foot. So we'll go from our inches to our FT for feet. So FT, and we get 1. So we know that's correct. And then we can do this vice versa for meters. This time I'll just use the feet measurement here, or actually we'll just use centimeters here. And we'll do, so this is currently in centimeters, and we want to bring it to meters, which would just be M. So 30.48 centimeters is 0.3048 meters, which would make sense. All right, so that just goes to show how basic and easy the formula is, and we can just drag this down here. I'll fix the formatting here, make it look a little nicer. But that way we can just get our quick, and we'll just kind of get rid of some of the decimals here. And there you have it. Super easy way to convert any unit of measurement to another. And just kind of reviewing the formula, super simple. Equals convert, then you take what you're converting, the number you're converting, and then you tell Excel what measurement that is in and what measurement you want to turn it into. So super easy formula, super easy way to create a conversion chart. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, leave them down below, subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.